Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's class and in today's series I'm going to talk about bid, ask and spread in forex trading. Ask price and bid price in forex trading. And I'm Balafxofficial. If you are new to my YouTube channel, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to support me as we move further. So this topic is introductory class, and we are in chapter 4, or let me say episode 4 of our today's class. So, and this is the most important topic which everybody should know: bid price, ask price and spread, so that you can know how to leverage your trading in this industry. So without wasting much time, let's get started. The ask and bid price. The bid price is the price a forex trader is willing to sell a pair. Bid price is a price you are ready to sell. You are ready to sell. Did you hear? Bid price is the price. Bid price is the price you are willing to sell. In other words, let me use this terminology. Like if let me say I want to sell euro USD, you will see charts something like this. You see something like euro USD. You see something 1.23 slash 1.24. So this is the bid price. Bid. This is the ask price. Short. This is the ask price. This. So what do I mean by the bid price? Is the price a trader is willing to sell a currency pair. So in this price, this is the price. We can also call this as, here is the selling price, the amount you are willing to sell, and here is the amount you are willing to buy. These are their two difference. So you are ready to sell euro at this price, price 1.23. That's the meaning of this price, which bid price is the price you are willing to sell, and is the price that forex trader is willing to sell a particular currency. Then we move further. Ask price is the price a trader is willing to buy a currency pair. Both of these prices are given in a real terms and are in real constantly updating. So what this means is ask price. Sorry. So where am I? Ask price. So in the ask price, I said bid price slash ask price, sell, buy. So these are the two things. Then ask price is the price you are willing. I did that at 1 point. I think the other one is 1.23 slash 1.24. I think that's what I do. So this ask price is the price where you are willing to buy. Is the price you are willing to buy that currency pair at. And I use example of euro USD. So in simple term and terminology, ask price is the price you are willing to buy, whilst bid price is the price you are willing to sell. Let's move further. As you already know, currency pair in foreign exchange market are always made up of the base currency and quoted currency such as GBP NSD and USD GBP. The reasons are quoted in pair is that every foreign exchange currency pair transaction traders stimulate buy one currency and sell the other. What this means is that whenever I'm buying like if I'm using, let me see, GBP USD, the example that is there. So whenever I'm selling this, indirectly I'm buying dollar. And if I'm buying GBP, I'm equally selling dollar in this currency pair because it's GBP USD. That means if I'm selling, I'm also buying USD, and if I'm buying, I'm also selling GBP USD. So it's inverse versa. It's inverse versa. Please don't mind me. I'm going to send all these images to the group, the WhatsApp group, and also Telegram group. So try to be there so that you can get the information that I'm trying to pass. So this is it. This is the base currency and the quoted currency. This is the base currency, why this is the quoted currency. So, and on that, let's go further as we move further. But no worries, complexity, instrument. What this means in general terms: currency, bid price, and ask price are simple terminology that are used in forex, and everyone can be able to absorb it so fast. What this means is not complex instrument, and it is easier to understand. Bid price, ask price. So what is spread? Now we have thrown about in terms of an exchange rate. For now we want to talk about spread. Okay, let me move further. What is spread? When you are trading for an exchange rate of a currency pair is simple the rate. Okay, unlike other financial market, what this means is that spread, when we are talking about spread, is the collaboration of ask price and bid price to minus in order to get our spread. So let's move further to this. So as we can see in this our base currency and quoted currency, the price is at 1.2722.3. So this is the exchange rate of GBP. For you to be able to buy 1 GBP, for you to be able to buy GBP, you must have more than this USD. You must have more than 1.27223. So you cannot buy GBP until you have this US dollar. This is the exchange rate for it. For you to have 1 GBP, you must have this dollar. For you to have this, that is, look at under. When buying, the exchange rate tells you how much you are willing to pay in units of the quoted currency. To buy 1 unit of the second listed currency in an exchange above, you have to pay this in order to get $1. So they use euro here, but it's simple, you understand as time goes on. So this is the exchange rate. Then let's go further. The exchange rate in forex are expressed using the following format: base currency and quoted currency. This is base currency and quoted currency. The terminology in forex are using these two: base currency and quoted currency, which equals to bid and ask price. So you can replace base currency as bid and quoted currency as ask price, so that terminology, so that it will be easier for people to understand and the spread. Okay, ask price, bid, ask. I hear you scream. Let's cover the meaning below. Bid, ask, and spread in forex trading. Okay, forex broker typically offer a trading platform will quote you two prices for the currency price. Okay, the bid price as price, which is known as forex spread. But what is exactly the bid price and ask price, or buy and sell price? What is bid price? In the foreign currency pair quoted, the bid represent. What this means is that this, so that I don't want the video to be too much long. Let me explain it, and you can go through the PDF when I send it in the group also. But the simple analogy is that, for example, in the quote, the bid price is this, means you can sell this for this. I already made mention of this earlier. I've already given the example, like what this is what it means. For example, the quoted currency 1.8815. The bid price is, okay, this and this, I made a mistake. Look at the price, look at this line. For example, the quoted currency and the secondary currency is 1.8812/1.8815. The bid price is this. As you can see, this means you sell €1 for this. This then means you sell €1 for this. So what is the ask price? Let's go down. This is for the bid price. Oh, why is this not going? The ask price is the price in currency trade at which you can buy the base currency. If you want to buy something, the broker or other traders in the forex market will sell or it offer. So what this means is that you are willing to buy the currency pair at some level, like the way you did the previous example. Euro USD, look at it. Euro USD is at 0.12812 1.2812. So this is the price you are willing to buy that currency. This is the price you are willing to buy. That's price 1.8. This means you can buy this for this dollar. That's mean, just remember, bid is selling price, the amount that they are willing to sell for you. Why ask price is the price you are willing to buy, and the amount they are willing to buy it for you, or you are willing just to buy as a forex trader. So this image is an example. GBP USD. So this is an analogy, like okay. So this is what I mean. So Can you see? This is the bid price, while this is the ask price, the amount the price you are willing to buy, the price you are willing to sell. And it's also called base currency. The base currency is this GBP, is the base, while the secondary currency is USD. So what is spread? Let me use this analogy. The spread is the bid price minus the ask price. That is bid minus ask price. As you can see, look at it below. In order to get your spread, 1.2752 minus 1.2749 equals to what? 3. So the spread is 3. It's called 3, and the 3 is called point, percentage in point. We call it 3 pips. The meaning of pips is percentage in point. Percentage in point.